So this tutorial on how to add image planes to our 2D animations now. I already did one for 3D. That first one got corrected, so I'm going to remake that one. And I'm going to do a corrected version in this. So we're first going to go out of our camera. Do it by hitting 0 on our number pad to the right of our keyboard. If you can't do that, go up here below the dolly orbit. Go to the camera down here, and then you can go in and out of your camera if you want to go back to your 2D screen where you can draw. Of course, as you can see, it's a 3D image in this space. So what we're going to do now is click Shift A. Oh, sorry, not that yet. We're going to go Control Tab. It'll open this mode selector. I'm going to go to Object Mode. Now we're going to go Shift A. Go down to Images. Click Mesh Plane. It's going to open up your files. You're going to just choose some image from in here. So I'm just going to take, like, let's see, a random screenshot from here. Maybe from a video game I was playing. And now have this image in your viewport. So you can go back to your camera, and now you can scale it. Shortcut for scale, you got these keys over here. You have move, like in Maya 3ds Max has the tool keys, but the shortcut for this is G. For rotation, it's R. Button 4 is also over here, where you get the tools. And you have scale, just like in Maya and 3ds Max has the tools. Shortcut for that is S. So we're just going to scale that up till it fits inside of our camera. And the plane, mesh plane, also copies the aspect ratio. So if your aspect ratio of the image is already set to how you want it in your view, which for this is HD, 1920 by 1080, like this, then it should, if you scale it to the perfect amount, it should fully fill your camera screen. So now, get back to draw mode, you go Control Tab again. You go to Stroke, up here in the top right. Then you go Control Tab, and now you're able to switch to draw mode, which then would bring you back to your drawing screen with all your layers. Right now, you can make whatever animation you need that goes over top of the image plane. Like this. There we go. So now, have your background for your image plane.